KCET 2025 round 3 aspirants. So there are a lot of students who wants to cancel their seat. They have a doubt whether the fees will be refunded, whether the fees will be forfeited, and so many questions, right? So to help you with this, to clear all your doubts, this video has come where I'll be discussing all the rules that is given by KEA regarding seat cancellation, fee refund, and fee forfeiture. Okay, so let's check this video. So first of all, if you have to note that deadlines are very important, so please check the deadlines that is given by KEA. Okay, I'll read it for you. Candidates who wish to surrender the KEA seat selected in the first round or in the second round, okay, doesn't matter whether it is first round or second round, if you want to surrender the seat, can cancel the seat on or before 1 p.m. of 8th of September 2025. Please remember the date 1 p.m. 8 September 2025. These students who are surrendering the seat before this date are eligible for refund of fee amount after deducting of rupees 5,000. So 5,000 will be deducted as a processing fee. After that, the rest amount will be refunded to you. Okay, so date is 8 September 2025 1 p.m. You have to go to the KEA office, and there you have to surrender the seat or cancel the seat. Now let's see the rule number 1 here. If a candidate who has been allotted a seat in any of the discipline in the first round, okay, or in the second round, and who has reported to the college wishes to surrender or cancel the seat before the last date notified for the entry of options for the third round or casual vacancy round, the executive director shall deduct rupees 5,000 as processing fee and refund the remaining fee paid. So those students who has allotted been any seat in first round and second round, and you have paid the fees, you have reported to the college, you have paid the fees, if you now decide to cancel the seat, you can go before the deadline 8th of September 1 p.m. right, 8th of September 1 p.m. and then you can your fee will be refunded by deducting 5,000 rupees. Okay, now see the second one. If a candidate who has been allotted a seat in any discipline except engineering in the first round or in the second round and who has reported to the college or not surrenders the seat after the completion of the third round or casual vacancy round, the executive director shall forfeit the entire fee paid. See here, if any of the student who has been allotted any seat in any discipline except the engineering students, all other students, if you have been allotted any seat in the first round and second round and you have reported to the, whether you reported to the college or not doesn't matter, if you surrender the seat after the completion of the third round, okay, after the completion of the third round, if you are surrendering the seat, in that case the entire fee will be forfeited, you will not get any refund. Okay, this is except engineering, okay, for all other courses. Next, rule 3, the candidate who surrenders the seat except engineering allotted in the third round or casual vacancy round. So here also, so candidate who surrenders the seat except engineering allotted in the third round or casual vacancy round, executive director shall forfeited the entire fee paid. So if you are surrendering the seat that is allotted to you in third round, in that case there will be no refund, because now only you are getting the chance to cancel the seat. So the seat allotted to you in the third round, you have to compulsorily take admission in that. You cannot cancel that seat. In that case the entire fee will be forfeited. As per rule number 4 here is, as per the rule 12(2) of CET 2026 rules, payment of penalty is mandatory and no exemption on penalty payment to any category candidate. In this case, if you are trying to cancel the seat that is allotted to you in round 3, in that case you have to pay the penalty also. Okay, your fees will be forfeited, whatever you have paid. Apart from that, a penalty will be issued on you. If a candidate who has been allotted a seat in any discipline in an engineering college or institution under sub rule 4 of rule 10 surrenders the seat after the completion of third round, fees prescribed by the government and the penalty of 5 times of the fee has to be paid by all category candidates to the KEA. So yes, if you are trying to cancel the seat after the third round, then not only your fees will be forfeited, legal actions will be taken, and 5 times of the fees will you have to pay as a penalty. So please students, be very alert here, be very careful here that whether you will be joining the college that will be allotted to you or not. So in your option entry, you should have only those colleges where you are genuinely interested to join. Now see rule number 5. If a candidate does not surrender the allotted seat in any discipline in an engineering college or institution under sub rule 4 of rule 10 or fail to join the allotted college even after the completion of the third round, the executive director, Karnataka Examination Authority shall forfeit the entire fee amount paid by the candidate, and the candidate shall be liable to pay a penalty of 5 times of the fee. Yes. So if you does not surrender and also fail to join, in that case you also have to pay the entire fee will be forfeited, and you have to pay 5 times of the fees as a penalty. Moving to rule number 6 and 7, no surrender or cancellation of seat shall be accepted unless the candidate surrenders the original admission order issued by the KEA, original bank challan and original verification slip. So whenever you go to cancel the seat, please carry these documents: original admission order, original bank challan and original verification slip. Okay. If the candidate does not surrender, cancel or fails to join the allotted college even after the completion of third round, the shall forfeit the Karnataka executive officer shall forfeit the entire fee paid by the candidate. Yes. So again the same thing, if you does not surrender, cancel or join the seat after the completion of third round, in that case your entire fee will be forfeited. Okay. So yes students, that were the rules for the penalty or the forfeiture of fee. If you have any further doubt, please comment down, I'll definitely address to it. Thank you for watching, and please remember this is a risky one. Please make sure that all the options that you have put in your option entry are only those colleges where you are genuinely interested, and if those colleges are allotted to you in round 3, you are going to join them. Otherwise you have to pay a heavy fee here. Okay. Penalty will be issued on you, legal actions will be taken. So please avoid this and don't do any such mistakes. It will be a burden for your parents and for you as well. So thank you for watching, and all the best. Be careful.